Have you ever thought about the intricate web of life that surrounds us? It's fascinating how every creature plays a role, but today I want to focus on a remarkable species that often gets overshadowed by their more famous cousins, the elephants and lions. I'm talking about the black rhino. These magnificent creatures are not just iconic symbols of wildlife. They are true ecosystem engineers, shaping their environment in ways that are both profound and essential. Let's take a moment to appreciate what it means to be an ecosystem engineer. These are species that create, modify, or maintain habitats, and the black rhino is a perfect example. With their massive bodies and impressive horns, they are often viewed as powerful animals, but their impact goes far beyond their physical presence. When black rhinos feed, they don't just munch on grass, they selectively browse on shrubs and trees, particularly those that are not favored by other herbivores. This feeding behavior helps to maintain the balance of the ecosystem. By keeping certain plant species in check, they allow a diverse array of flora to flourish, which in turn supports a variety of other wildlife. Imagine a landscape where black rhinos roam freely. Their browsing creates open spaces, allowing sunlight to reach the ground and encouraging the growth of grasses and other plants that depend on that light. This is crucial for the herbivores that rely on those grasses for survival. So, in a way, when a black rhino takes a bite out of a bush, it's not just having lunch. It's setting off a chain reaction that benefits countless other species. It's like they're nature's gardeners, pruning and shaping the landscape to foster biodiversity. But that's not all. Black rhinos also play a significant role in nutrient cycling. As they move through their habitat, they leave behind droppings that are rich in nutrients. This dung not only fertilizes the soil but also attracts a whole host of insects and other organisms that rely on it for food. These little critters, in turn, help to break down the dung, further enriching the soil. It's a beautiful cycle of life that underscores the interconnectedness of all species. When we think about conservation, we often focus on protecting individual species, but the black rhino reminds us that we must also consider the entire ecosystem and the roles that different animals play within it. However, the black rhino is facing incredible challenges. Poaching and habitat loss threaten their existence, and with them, the delicate balance of their ecosystems. It's heartbreaking to think that these incredible creatures could vanish from the earth, taking with them the vital roles they play. Conservation efforts are crucial, not just for the rhinos themselves, but for the health of the ecosystems they help sustain. By protecting black rhinos, we're investing in the future of entire habitats and the myriad of life forms that depend on them. So, what can we do? Awareness is the first step. Educating ourselves and others about the importance of black rhinos and their role as ecosystem engineers can inspire action. Supporting conservation organizations, advocating for policies that protect wildlife, and even making more sustainable choices in our daily lives can contribute to the preservation of these magnificent beasts. Every small action counts. Next time you think about wildlife, remember the black rhino and their incredible contributions to the ecosystem. They are not just another animal on the endangered species list. They are vital architects of their environment. Let's celebrate their role and work together to ensure that they continue to thrive in the wild, shaping the landscape for generations to come. The future of our planet depends on it, and every effort we make to protect these ecosystem engineers is a step toward a healthier, more balanced world.